Hi, can you please tell me your name, how long you've been at Goodway, and what department you work in?
Robert Lesperon, 7 years in shipment department.
My name is Melinda Marks. I've been here for 26 years, and my department is Chief of Staff.
Tom Collard, I work in production department, and I've been with Goodway for 24 years.
Hector Nunez, production.
So long you can't remember.
No. 2009.
So my name is Victor. In the power industry area, so we deal with like power plants and industrial facilities. And I've been with Goodway since 2001.
Steve Joseph. It's approximately 13 years I've been on Goodway, and I work in the production department.
Reynaldo Rivera, I've been in production, been here for 27 years.
David, IT, almost 37 years.
Frank Contrary, sales department, been with Goodway for 31 years.
Can you describe what you do in a few words?
Everything for everyone.
That's a good one.
Build things.
I assemble machines.
Sales and sales management.
So essentially I'm the director of sales on the power side.
Make shaft and help out whoever needs help.
Awesome. And what has motivated you to stay with the Goodway family for so long?
Everybody that works here.
Family, basically. They treat you like family.
Generous company.
It's a pretty good family atmosphere here.
How do you think Goodway has been able to sustain a 55-year legacy in the manufacturing industry?
Producing top quality equipment, using quality components, and always innovating the way we do business and our products.
Innovation. Always looking for new ideas.
We've come up with innovative new ways to solve problems.
Necessity by other people and good quality products here.
What's the most exciting project that you've worked on in your 26
My
years?
most exciting project was the 50th anniversary party.
Solutions for these big industrial customers like nuclear plants, coal plants. They call us for help and we figure out their problems and get them the equipment they need to resolve their issues.
And can you tell me your favorite thing about Goodway in one word?
Evolution.
Innovation.
Family.
Goodway is appreciative.
Quality product.
Cutting edge.
Trust.